Today, we will talk about how to block out neighbors' view. Let's have a look at the details. We all need privacy from neighbors while relaxing in the swimming pool or having a party in the backyard. Someone is watching you is always sickening. Luckily, you don't have to spend a fortune to protect your privacy. There are effective but cheap ways to block neighbors' views. In fact, implementing such screening ideas to block out neighbors won't cost you anything sometimes. Stay with me. You will love some of our backyard privacy ideas. The first way is staggered wooden boards. Staggered wooden boards are stained in soft shades of black, yellow, green, and red. They create a one-of-a-kind privacy fence softened by shrubs in front and a feathery tree canopy overhead. The second way is hedges for privacy. This privacy landscaping idea can provide year-round screening and is typically not restricted by municipal ordinances, limiting their height. Where space is tight, as in a side yard, fast-growing columnar evergreens like Italian cypress and arborvitae or a sheared privet hedge can provide a simple solution for separating adjoining yards or blocking sight lines out a kitchen window. To plant a new private hedge, create a trench 2 feet wide and 2 feet deep, space individual shrubs about 12 inches apart, and bring soil up to the branching trunk. Water deeply and frequently the first year, using drip irrigation. To thrive, these deciduous shrubs require a temperate climate and a homeowner willing to wield sharp shears as often as needed. The third way is layered privacy plantings. In larger yards, planting a mix of deciduous or evergreen trees, shrubs, and perennials creates a more naturalistic look, especially if you layer plants, grouping them in odd numbers. Stagger evergreens in the background, and in the foreground step down the height with deciduous material to provide texture, depth, and color, says Elliot Brundage, a landscape architect in Andover, Massachusetts. Planting deciduous shade trees, which generally grow from 25 to 60 feet high, depending on the species, is a good way to obscure a neighbor's view from a second-story window or terrace. Positioned over a deck or patio, the canopy provides privacy and shade in the summer. In the winter, the tree's bare branches allow the sun to shine into the house. The fourth way is container gardens for deck privacy. Potted plants such as arborvitae or clumping bamboo can be positioned to create a green screen around a raised deck seating area. Ideally, pots should be raised up on casters or made of lightweight materials so you can easily move them for parties or deck repairs. The fifth way is fences and walls. Newly installed pools, patios, and playgrounds may require a visual buffer in a hurry. A 6-foot solid board fence is the quickest way to create privacy in your backyard year-round. Just be sure to check local building codes regarding fence heights and any other restrictions. It may also be the best solution in a side yard, where space is tight since fences have a smaller footprint than plantings. Board fences come in various styles to complement the architecture of your home, and you can stain them to match the house. But while a privacy fence might solve the problem, it's not always the most aesthetically pleasing solution, says Eric Sauer, a landscape architect in Dayton, Ohio. To break up the mass of a board fence, Sauer suggests adding an open lattice or baluster top and planting flowering or evergreen shrubs in front to soften its solidity. The sixth way is stone wall topped with fencing. Another option is to mount a shorter, 3 or 4 foot lattice or picket fence on top of a 2 or 3 foot stone wall. The wall, from a distance, is high enough to disrupt sight lines, while the openwork fence screens without feeling claustrophobic. The seventh way is masonry walls with ornamental ironwork. Similarly, a masonry wall of stone or stucco that rises 5 or 6 feet high feels less oppressive when windows are cut into it. Often, ornamental ironwork can decorate such openings. Michael Glassman, a Sacramento, California, landscape designer, searches garage sales for the fencing he incorporates into his clients' yards. He might use a $50 cast iron section as a trellis for vines, fitting it with brackets to secure it to the side of a house. As opposed to new ironwork, which can look generic, salvage has an old look that gives more permanence to the landscape, says Glassman. The eighth way is panels and pergolas. Defined areas like small patios, outdoor kitchens, and decks are generally easier to screen than a whole yard. By building an enclosure around them, you can recreate the intimate feeling of eating or entertaining indoors, while still enjoying beautiful weather. Enclosures may take the shape of a slatted-top wooden pergola covered with climbing vines on a patio or a pair of fixed lattice panels along two sides of a raised deck. Prefab iron gazebos can be set right on the ground and surrounded with potted vines and hanging baskets to fill some of the gaps. The ninth way is lattice, wood panels, and ornamental ironwork. Screens made from lattice, shutter-like louvered wood panels, or sections of ornamental iron with anchoring posts can be set into the ground to enclose a cozy corner or make a U-shaped structure that preserves desirable views. For maximum flexibility, consider placing the post ends in lightweight planters with wheels to anchor them. Add concrete plugs to the feet or set the posts in gravel. That way, they can be moved around to create more open space when you're entertaining. Semi-transparent structures may not provide complete privacy, but they add a lot of visual interest to a landscape and allow natural light and breezes in. The 10th way is using fountains to mask noise. Even if you're not literally seeing eye to eye with the neighbors, you might still be close enough to hear their conversation. Or you may be bothered by intrusive traffic noise or buzzing AC compressors. In such cases, adding a fountain to your privacy plan can mask unwanted sounds with pleasant white noise. These range from off-the-shelf, plug-in units that sit on a table or hang on the wall to custom designs that become a major focal point. Keep in mind that flowing water becomes louder the farther it falls and the more tiers it travels over. Michael Glassman, a landscape designer in Sacramento, California, warns that it's possible for a fountain to be too loud, which is just as disruptive as the noise you're trying to hide. The sound of rushing water might be inviting when guests arrive, but you don't want to have to yell over the din at dinner, says Glassman, who designed the wall and water feature shown here. All fountains have a recirculating pump, so if you get an adjustable one, you're sure to find a sound level that's soothing. The 11th way is shield with outdoor screens. Outdoor screens are simply panels of cloths mounted on metallic stands. These are cheap and readily available in outdoor furnishing stores. The best thing about these is that they can be moved to different spots where you need privacy in the backyard. Outdoor screens also give full privacy because the neighbor on the other end cannot catch a glimpse of what is happening behind the screen. When not in use, you can always fold it and tuck it in the garage without taking up much space. On the flip side, outdoor screens are prone to elements, and this means they will fade and tear within no time. The 12th way is erect a corrugated metal fence. Corrugated metal is a great idea for backyard privacy because of the many benefits it comes with. Most important, corrugated metal is cheap and readily available from hardware stores. With just a few wooden beams mounted on concrete bases, installing this type of fence should be bliss. A corrugated metal fence provides a sleek appearance that will also work by keeping birds off your patio. The only disadvantage is that the sleek shiny look will not last for long before rust starts bothering you. But you can always paint it to prevent rust and improve its look. Corrugated metal blocks wind on patios and give you complete privacy from your nosy neighbors. The 13th way is use cascading landscapes. It may sound like an expensive idea, but trust me, it is among the cheapest backyard privacy ideas. The cascading levels are easy DIY projects that you can manage with homemade materials. Please be advised that this idea is meant only for handy people because it will involve muscles. And that is not all, you have to be very patient because it will take quite some time. The multi-level designs are a great way of showcasing your beautiful plants and bushes. However, you may need some bits of advice from a professional landscaper to help you come up with a design that works. The terraces work to your advantage because they increase the space for outdoor decor such as beautiful flower vases, outdoor lightings among many others. The 14th way is hang your greeneries. Hanging your greeneries works to your advantage in so many ways. It gives you the chance to showcase your taste for flowers. People may not understand what you are trying to achieve with this design. They may think it is fashion, but it's only you who knows it is a backyard privacy idea. The best thing about hanging your outdoor plants is that it frees up space for other outdoor activities like lounging, grilling. You can also use the extra space created to add outdoor decor items or outdoor furniture to the patio. Besides, you will enjoy the orderliness brought about by the hanging greeneries. Doing this is easy because all you need are some evenly spaced posts and sturdy rods to hold flower pots in a slanted position. Ensure your flowers are the type to overflow the pots. The 15th way is a use of trellis. Regardless of whether basic or expound, locally acquired, or exclusively manufactured, a lawn lattice gives a direct answer for the outdoor privacy issue. Furthermore, as the ideal help for quite a few climbing plants or blossoming plants, a lattice can turn into an eye-catching point of convergence in the structure of your open-air living zone. The 16th way is I'll use supersized planters. Flowers are not just therapeutic to look at, they can also offer backyard privacy. Yes, you can block the view of a nosy neighbor by buying huge planters and flower vases. Unlike trees, flowers need only a few months to become bushy. All you have to do is to trim them often so that they do not overhang your neighbor's property. Allowing this might land you in legal trouble with your neighbors. The 17th way is put up some bamboos. You can build a screen made of bamboo to keep the prying eyes of your neighbors away from your property and also lend it some Asian charm. Choose to either buy one for cheap or make your own. The 18th way is outdoor curtains. Hanging some outdoor curtains can be one of the cheapest privacy ideas for your garden. It can not only offer the much-needed privacy but can also be easily folded when you don't need any. The 19th way is privacy fence using old windows and doors. You can also create a privacy screen by using old doors and windows with louvers and line all of them up against the side of the backyard or garden that you aim to cover up. The 20th, rolling curtains. Rolling curtains are another fantastic option to offer you instant privacy in your patio small garden. The best part is, you can open and close them at your will, and it also lets you control the amount of light you want in your yard. The 21st, art wall. Choose to put this cheap idea to block your neighbor's view of the year to create a canvas wall. All you need are some cheap wooden pallets with some paint and you will have a privacy wall that also looks the part. The 22nd way is to create a tree branch fence. It is another interesting way to add some privacy to your garden for cheap. Use fallen tree branches or the leftovers from pruning and pile or arrange them up on the fence, or any other area where you want some privacy. You can also add some trailing plants to them to make them more private. The 23rd way is chicken wire privacy screen. Using chicken wires to make a fence for the desired part in your garden could be an easy and quick way to add a privacy screen. You can even grow some climbers or place some twigs or such to cover it all, and you can block your neighbor's view for cheap. The 24th way is patio arbor. This structure is over a back deck near the house. Slats do a good job making things feel more private. You can see out from the slats, but from a distance, it's harder to see in. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.